Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, find the content that you wish to capture, which for me I'm just going to use the home screen as an example. So you want to have it open, and from there you have two ways of doing it. The first one would be to hold power key and volume down, as you've seen, till you see that image, and then the thumbnail of the screenshot that we have captured would be visible here for a split moment. Or the second way is to pull down the notification panel and you have the screenshot button right here. It's basically like a part of the screen with the scissors, or when you extend it you can also see it here and it actually says screenshot. So you can tap on that, it does the same thing. And then both of those images can be found in your photo gallery. Just tap on allow. I'm launching this for the first time, so that's why it's asking me all this. So once you open up the photo gallery, you can go into albums where you should see screenshots folder, and in here there will be the two exact same images that I have captured, as you can see. So that is how you would capture a screenshot on this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.